This month is National Awareness for Sexual Assault. Um, I haven't been in this book in probably over a year. When I started to burn it. There are many different types of sexual assault. Each is a big deal to me. There's groping, rape, molestation, so many different types. I was a victim. First off, I'm a lesbian, and I was a driver for FedEx. I had a contractor, so I'm not quite directly employed by FedEx. My employer is my contractor. There was a guy who had an issue with my sexuality, so he felt like it was okay to inappropriately touch me. And when this happened, I didn't know what to do. I reported it eventually, and my contractor didn't believe me. You know, to hear the words, "Did he really touch you?" I mean, wow. No, I'm just lying for no reason. You know, people don't realize how much guilt you put yourself through, and you're the victim. So as the victim, I'm asking myself, did this really happen? Am I really going through this? You know, my job's on the line, my reputation, so many things. And for my contractor, if you've been in a situation, for anyone to make you feel even worse and even smaller than you already feel, it's crazy. You know, I went through this long, drawn out situation. I had to go to FedEx because I was offered an apology by my contractor. So I had to go to FedEx to make them make my contractor do something. You know, I ended up losing my job because I refused to go back to work. I'm not going to work with someone who's going to get away with violating me. I fought. I had to do some research, and I found an LGBTQ law firm, Free State Legal, for those listening who are in the LGBTQ community. Free State Legal in Baltimore. Took the case pro bono. They work with your financial situations. Went to court. I decided to settle outside of court, and I was rewarded some money. So, you know, it is National Sexual Assault Awareness Month, and I just want to say, fight for your right. Tell your story. Get help. Be persistent. Do not give up. Because I've gone through this situation before at another job with a man who had an issue with my sexuality. No one has the right to touch you or tell you who and what you should be. You and only you are the ones that should make that decision. So, with that being said, fight, push. Don't let anyone disrespect you, physically or verbally. Tell your story. Get help. And if you need a lawyer, do not give up. It was a very, very hard journey. I almost gave up. But that 1 ounce of faith kept me going. And it led to something that I'm forever grateful for. And not only did I get money, my voice was heard. Because of me, my contractor had to come up with a sexual harassment policy for his company. So fight for your right. I'm DH. Thank you for listening.